Hi again. At current lecture, I will show you how to upgrade Elasticsearch 7 to 8th version, but without using security options. We will do it again using git changes at pull request to upgraded Flask version that was performed at previous lecture. So let's do it. As you can see, it is rather easy. We only made changes at Docker Compose by itself by adding coding parameters with disable security for Elasticsearch 8 option, and then we upgrade a coding version at our CI Elasticsearch Docker file. That's all. So you can download the project with current changes and bring up new environment, or you can upgrade existing Flask upgraded version and then run Docker Compose with build option. So in case you are upgrading environment, please don't forget to remove your previous data from Elasticsearch data folder and reindex test again. I will show you here what I mean. So there is a CI folder. Inside it you have data where we mount our Elasticsearch data to DB and logs accordingly to logs. So some files will appear here, and in case you have 7th version and you want to upgrade to 8th version, simply remove all files inside that folders and then reindex your data using our command here, fill Elasticsearch Python. You have to do it because Elasticsearch 7 and Elasticsearch 8 data structures are not compatible. And again, the main thing which I want to pay your attention to is that all materials you have passed with all previous videos from current sections is still actual. Nothing has changed at code logic, architecture, or in code by itself. Though there is one big notice, current Python project is based on the Elasticsearch DSL library, which is still the leader in Python market. Let's visit GitHub for a while. Here we are, and if you scroll down a little bit, you will see that current library is still not compatible with Elasticsearch 8 version. And it seems we will not see support for Elasticsearch 8 in the near future. So you may ask, how then it works at all? The answer is rather simple. There are almost no changes to the API in the 8 version compared to the 7th one. Almost means that new features like natural language processing or KNN search API are still absent. So in case you need it, then you will have to either extend the Elasticsearch DSL library, or you have to write a custom solution using a low-level approach at creating and sending raw JSON queries to Elasticsearch directly. So the summary is next. Generally speaking, Python world is still not ready to use Elasticsearch 8, despite it was released over a year ago. My general recommendation is the next one. Continue to work with the 7th version. But you may ask, what to do if I am forced to use Elasticsearch 8 for some reason? Situation here is rather complicated. Let's discuss it together at next lecture.